Hi all, now we going to see CBSE Class 10 Mathematics Quadratic Equation Chapter number 4 Exercise 4.1 Question number 8. We have to prove the given equation is a quadratic equation or not. Okay, in 8th question we have left side and right side. Left side already expanded, so we don't want to expand anything. Only we need to expand the right side. Okay, the left side is x cube minus 4x squared minus x plus 1. In right side it is in the form of a minus b the whole cube. A minus b the whole cube formula is a cube minus 3ab into, this is b, into a minus b minus b cube. This is the formula for a minus b the whole cube. Now we are going to expand the right side like that only. So for a cube we will get x cube. For minus 3ab, 3, a is x, so x, b is 2, so 3ab is completed. Inside the bracket a minus b, that is x minus 2. Now minus b cube is 2 cube minus this is 2 cube. Okay, now the left side is same. In right side x cube minus 3 into x into 2 is become 6x into x minus 2, and this is 2 cube is 8. So this is x cube. Now we need to bring the minus 6 inside the bracket, so minus 6x squared, then plus 12 minus 8. So now the right side become like this. Okay, now we need to bring the right side to the left side, so 1 minute. Yeah, thank you. So already in left side we have x cube. Now I'm going to bring this x cube here, so x cube minus x cube. Now left side we have 4 minus x squared. Now this minus x squared, when come to left side it became a plus 6x squared. Next in right side we have minus x, left side we have minus x. When this is 12x, when the 12x moves to left side, it became a minus 12x. Now plus 1 plus 9, plus 8. How plus 8? This 8 when comes to left side it became a plus 8 equal to 0. Now this x cube will be cancelled. Instead of minus 4x squared, 6x squared, we get 2x squared. Now minus, we have 1 minus x, 1 minus 12x, so 2 also minus, so we need to add, so 13x plus 1 plus 8 became a plus 9 equal to 0. It is in the form of ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, so it is a quadratic equation. Okay,